Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about this little posting from Sawyer. Basically what happened is for the last couple of times, I think I've received 2 trials of FSD already. And it's been great, and apparently Tesla is rolling out a 3rd one, right? So according to Sawyer states news, Tesla is rolling out another free 30-day FSD trial to some owners in North America. For some owners, this is the 3rd free FSD trial they received this year. This is another push to get people to try the latest version of FSD, which is the version 13. So I think that with this one right here, what he's missing is it's only rolling out to the AI4, or also known as the Hardware 4, which is the one that not many people have. You know, like for me, like my car has the Hardware 3. So I don't know if the Tesla team will somehow try to make it happen down to the Hardware 3 owners, because there's like 80% of us out there with the Hardware 3, and then maybe Hardware 2.5, and then maybe with 1, and then with the Hardware 4, very new ones like 2024 and later on, then that's once you get the Hardware 4. But again, Tesla is on the right path. When you're doing this, you want to make sure if you have something really good, you know, you want to showcase it, you want people to try it, right? And I am pretty sure this will be the last time they give it a trial, because this actually benefits us and also Tesla itself, because the more we use you imagine like in 30 days, right? If all of us, whoever has access to this, and we drive it around, and Tesla get to capture all that data. And the more data that you have, the better your system will be, right? So in all, this is a win-win situation for all of us. My brother, who has he paid for it, and now he already got the latest update. And as a matter of fact, I just got off the phone with him, and he's telling me that it's really nice, it's really great, because if you park in your driveway and you just hit your destination, it knows not to move forward and just back out, and will take you to your destination, which is great, right? Which is awesome. So all I can hope for is just hopefully they'll make it down to Hardware 3, where I'm gonna get to try another month. And then, but other than that, I think this is great, and it worked out for all of us. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.